What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Triple D's Electable Delights. I'm D, and y'all are my delights. Yeah, I'm outside. Yeah, would show y'all. I just wanted to try this real quick. This Burger King taco. Yeah, before I lost the light, so I was like, let me. This ain't gonna be long. I'm holding my stand, so I don't mean to be moving and stuff. But trying to pull it out. We're gonna see. Y'all forgive this video. Okay. Here goes. First, let's pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for this blessing. Let every nurse to my mind, body, soul, spirit, in Jesus' name. Pray. Amen. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. This is a taco from Burger King. There's lettuce in it. Have y'all tried? It's only $1. Does it look appetizing? No, it don't look appetizing. But we got lettuce in there, cheese, and the meat, which tastes like tastes like some from out of a can. The hell? I think a cat just climbed up that tree to try to get a bird. Wow. Anyway. What happens when you're outside? Like, what the heck happened? Anyway, back to the video. This ain't gonna be long at all, cause I just got one because I didn't know how it was gonna taste. Really not a lot of filling in it. Lettuce. If y'all ever have tasted some potted meat, that's what this tastes like. No, there wasn't no cat up the tree car. There go a cat right there. So, I don't know what the heck that was. I'm gonna finish this and move it on. Oh. Sorry. That was just a hunk of lettuce. That's it. It's all fried. Have y'all tried it? Burger King taco. Well, that's it for this video. I just wanted to bring y'all that. I wanted to try it. So, that's it. That's all. Alright. If y'all tried it, let me know. Leave something in the comments. Okay. Thumbs up. This video. I should walk and talk, but I'm not. Until next time, don't forget to hit that notification bell, because some of y'all been telling me y'all haven't been receiving y'all notifications. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And share, because sharing is caring. All right, and sorry I was so close up, but I had to hold it on. So I just got that from Burger King. All right, y'all, I'm walking. I'm out of here, and love y'all.